An innovator by default is a person that can respond to change, to detect changes in an unmet need, to see where a disruptive technology could be brought about and to make an impact on the field. My research is based on trying to understand how cells respond to stress, looking at cancer cells and looking at the variety of tumour cells and seeing how they respond to anti-cancer drugs. And the important thing that we're trying to achieve is to understand how cancer cells are resistant to drugs. Today we've been based at GE Healthcare in Cardiff. What we're doing is looking at microscopy and imaging cells. What we brought today is a new experiment. We brought a multi-well plate with cancer cells growing on that plate. And we've treated these cells, this multi-well platform, with different drugs. The exciting element of it is that we're bringing physicists and chemists and mathematicians to try and understand cancer biology. So the problem is not just necessarily manifests itself as a biology problem, and it's that interdisciplinarity that brings new insights to the area of cancer biology. My association with GE Healthcare has been going on for a very long time. I have been working with GE on different imaging-based projects using different platforms of theirs and interacting with the scientists at GE, and it's been a very fruitful relationship. Everything is founded on doing good science, whether you work in industry or in academia, and that's where the common ground is, and that's why it's a great collaboration. The reality of taking something out of the lab and delivering it into industry, into the clinic, means that the innovator has to be very adaptable, otherwise the science is just not going to be translated out. My proudest moments really bear on seeing how we can translate what we do in the lab and it have commercial value. And by having commercial value, therefore have impact way beyond what we have initiated in the lab. Cardiff University allows you to flourish if you want to flourish. If you want to take responsibilities, Cardiff University allows you to take responsibilities. If you're ambitious and you turn up in Cardiff, you can do really well. Cardiff University has an environment that is conducive to translating innovation into impact. You have to value impact, you have to reward impact, and you have to support it financially and through resources. And Cardiff has been doing a lot of that, and that will get much better over the forthcoming years. So I can only see good things in Cardiff. The future is really about delivering science for impact and making sure that the investment that we've been making over the last decade is brought to bear in a very impactful way so that we can really get good value for the investments that we're making within British science.